In this video, I'll show you how to assign a different image to a product variation in WooCommerce. As an example, let's take a look at the product on my site, cedarwood candle. As you can see, it comes in two different sizes, 8 ounce and 16 ounce. Now let's assume we want each size to display a different image. For example, if customers select the 8 ounce option, they would see an image of a smaller candle. So in order to configure your product variations to display different images, first we'll log into WordPress dashboard, then hover on products, then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case is this one, cedarwood candle, and then select edit. Once the product editor loads, scroll a bit down till you find the section, product data. As you can see in my case, it's a variable product, and then select variations. Let's start off by adding the image to the 8 ounce variation. For that, click on edit, then click on the upload an image. If you already have an existing image uploaded to your media library, you can select it right here. As in my case, I would like to upload a brand new image. For that, let's click on upload files. Let me upload the image from my desktop. Let's take this one. Let's drag it right here. Then make sure the image is selected and then click on set variation image. Now let's repeat the same process for the 16 ounce candle. Once again, click on edit. Let's select upload an image. Just like before, let me upload the brand new image. Let's drag it from my desktop. Make sure it's selected, then select set variation image. Once everything is complete, scroll up and then select update. Now let me go back to my product page. Let's try refreshing it. Let's take a look. If I select the 8 ounce option, it shows the smaller candle image. And if I switch to the 16 ounce option, it shows the larger candle image. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.